Hey guys, Anelia from Bambi Baby, and today we're doing a Clek Liing install in a Volvo V90 cross country. Volvo is one of the safest vehicles on the market today, and the Clek Liing is the most innovative car seat base we've ever seen. Hi, so we're in a 2019 Volvo V90 cross country, and the most important part in understanding how to install a car seat is knowing where it installs in the car. So in a Volvo V90, you have anchor points both behind the driver's side and the passenger side. So in either one of the two sides, this vehicle can take a car seat. It will also take a car seat in the center using the center seatbelt. But at this point, what I want to identify is how to get to those anchor points that everybody is always so concerned about. In a Volvo, it is very simple. That would include the XC90, the V90, the XC60. All of the Volvo models are very similar. All you have to do is lift the anchor points. They have these covers on it, and inside you'll run into where the car seat connects to. We'll install the base for you next. One of the key features of the Clek Liing is to identify first the load leg. This load leg pulls out from the bottom and is adjustable in height. You line it up to the base, and this also has a trigger here to release the latch points. So you can release the latch by pulling on this trigger on top, and it releases out. Do that to both sides, and then just kind of slide it into the anchor points. Once it's in place, slide the two triggers forward, locks the base into place. Now you want to adjust the load leg. So the load leg, the plastic cover slides out and the load leg comes down. Once it touches the ground, it locks into place to give you a green light on the bottom. This base is properly installed now. An additional feature that the Clek Liing does is it has a bubble level on the inside. That bubble level, by squeezing this point here, you can adjust it, and it has a position from 4 to 11 pounds, has a position from 11 pounds to 20 pounds, and it has a position from 20 pounds to 35 pounds. So the Clek Liing works from 4 pounds to 35 pounds. Let's assume we're installing it for a newborn. So I would put it in a level position for 4 to 11 pounds, which it adjusts to the Volvo height. And now all I have to do is bring the car seat in. This is a rear-facing car seat. All you got to do is line it up and lock it into place. The Clek Liing is in position, locked with no movement, in perfect standing. So I've just removed the Clek Liing base from the driver's side, and I want to center install it. In a Volvo, you do not have center latch anchor points, even though a lot of mistakes are made by using the inner passenger and the inner driver's side. The anchor points are only supposed to be at 11 inches apart. So in the center installation, you would not use the ISOFIX. You would use a regular seatbelt. What I want to notice is that the rebound load leg cannot be used in center installation because you have the tunnel of the vehicle inside. So all you have to do is lift the base, tuck the tunnel underneath, the load leg underneath, and you're ready for install. All you have to do is squeeze this down, open it up, fully extend the seatbelt. Once the seatbelt's fully extended, just weave it through and seatbelt it down as you would yourself in the vehicle. Once it's seatbelted, kind of guide it through these center latches here and let it retract all the way up. Once it's retracted and semi-tight, then all you have to do is bring this base back, and this will lock the belt in place. Give it a firm tug. It gives you green signal to let you know that this car seat's properly installed. Set the level. We're going to leave it at 4 pounds to 11 pounds, and we'll bring in the car seat. Here's our Clek Liing installed, locked in place, plenty of leg room for an adult on the driver's side and an adult on the passenger side. The Volvo V90 is a great family vehicle. The Clek Liing will allow you to install center, passenger, or driver. We love this car seat for 2019.